Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. We will be learning how to make this fascinator. It's a very large fascinator, yes, and that's the mold. I've covered it with the film material, so you can see that it's properly covered. So right now we'll be molding it with the matte material, but this is actually threaded behind, and also we'll be using a thumb pin. So as you can see, we are ready for this. So sit back and watch while we do this hat. Alright, we'll be taking the measurement of the mold, the length and breadth. You apply it on the material so you can be able to cut the enough material that will go around the mold. So for a material that will be enough, you have to add few inches to the material, to the one you've measured from the mold. That's if you had measured the length of the mold to be 25, it means that you will be adding maybe like 3 inches, which means you'll be cutting the length of the material 28 inches. So same applies to the breadth. So this can go around the mold. So as you can see, I've actually cut the material and I've started blocking, but this blocking is not the main blocking. I'm just trying to pin this material down so I can be able to work in the inner mold before I can extend to the outer mold. Hope you understand. So you'll be pinning the north, south, the west, east first. Then you can now work your way through the internal curve, the inner curve of the mold. Then after which you extend it to the other parts of the mold. So you can see I've actually created a space that will go around the mold, and I'll be molding this. So sit back and watch. So I'll be making use of the elastic band. So you can see I have a black elastic band. This is just for the pin not to stain the material, cause I will not be overlapping this material, that's the paper mat, with any other material. So I need to be very careful so to avoid the stains from the pin and the stiffener. So as you can see, I've been able to overlay it with this, and I've pinned down the curve, and it has actually fully formed the curve I'd want, or sorry, it has actually formed the curve I want. Okay, so we've been able to block the whole thing. As you can see, it's fully blocked, both the inner curve and the outer one. So you can see how fully blocked it is. Now we'll stiffen it and dry it. Now it has been stiffened and dried. We've detached it from the mold, and we've wired the hems of the hat, and also we've also covered it. As you can see, the wine material at the hems. So the thing is that I used the cinnamon material, overlaid with a fabric, and you can see the cinnamon, the green cinnamon, iron it through, then you see the two fuse together. So I've actually used it to form my bows, and also the fabric that will be covering the hem of the hat. So now I want to also secure, you can see, so now I want to also secure this fabric to the hat with the use of invisible thread. That's a fishing line, the 0.25 size, with a needle. So that is what I actually did. So, and also at the outer part, I'll be using a gum to secure them, and neatly, so when you see it, you know So you can now see that I've started sewing it, and I'm trying to go inside the fabric to sew it. You can see I had to open them up. I'm not sewing it on the outer fabric, so you can see it's the inner one I'm sewing it on. So you have to be very careful with this, and you have to do a very neat job so that it doesn't have to be visible both internally and outside externally. So that is just it. Sorry about it. I didn't know the camera wasn't capturing it. I had to draw it closer to myself. But notwithstanding, it's not going to take long for you to see. As you can see, it's already stationed back to the normal size. So sewing this, yeah, it's time consuming. That is why hats are expensive. The hours you engage in this hat making depends. It's very long. So when you see a hat and you see it's expensive, know that they have actually burnt a lot of time in making this hat. And aside from that, the materials also matters. So I'm just telling you this so if you know that if you just want to learn or you just want to watch to see how hat is made, it's not a day thing. Actually, it's something you sacrifice your time in making, and that is why it comes out good and a bit on the high side. For the people that actually know the value, they will actually go for the hats. But if you don't know, well, it's something you should know. So you can see I'm done with it, and I'm already cutting out. I've cut out the needle and thread. So the inner hat has been fully secured. So it's now left for the outer part of the hat. So that's what you do, and you get your work done. So I'll be applying a U gum. Most people call it UHU gum, but I call it U gum. I just feel that should be the right pronunciation. Okay, you apply your U gum, and that will be it. Then you can now start embellishing your hat to your desired look. Just wait for some time, then you now gum the two materials together, because at times it's you gum is liquid, it's you need to blow air on it, or you just leave it for a while, then you now gum the things together. So that's what I actually did. But if you'd want to just, if you feel you shouldn't wait, if your environment is cold, as soon as you're applying, you are closing up. So for our side, it's a bit hot. So everything around here is hot. So you just have to give it time, or you blow some air on it and you now gum it together. I'm actually taking my time to show you this video because I believe at this point you should see the detail of this particular hat. You can see how gently I'm taking my time to glue both. So I'm thinking of something else. So you can see I'm actually trying to see if there's something else I can actually use this bias stripes to do. And yeah, I've picked it and that's what I'm going to be working with. So that was how I got this particular design. At times you can just, the design just comes while you're test running or getting other options, and you just see one pops out and you feel that's what could go for the hat. That's how I got this particular design. And you might have something in mind that you would want to do, and from the starting to the end you achieve it. But sometimes it comes as if you need to change some styles. So that's a good thing, and the most interesting part of hat making. It's fun to just test run some other options and you just see yourself working your way through it. So I'll be attaching this bow to the other one too, and it's going to be a two-sided design. If you look from the side view, you see something facing you, and then from the front view there's another one facing you. So that was how we attained this particular design. Thank you. Okay, so in our next video I'll be showing you a video clip of the hat, a quick video clip of the hat, and that's just what it's going to be like. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.